Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little haul from Michaels and from Tuesday Morning. So let's just jump right in with Michaels. I also had the 40% and the 20% off everything coupon that day. I did get these Marquise letters to go along with, it's only $50, I think it was $4.99 with 20% off, to go with the Heidi Swap light board that I hauled from Tuesday Morning. So some extra letters. Of course, needed some more ATG gun. Used my 40% and 20% on that. These were on clearance. They were 49¢. I already have a stack of these, but I bought some more because they have the film inside of it. And I studied, it's like $5 for like three pieces, 2 or 3 pieces of the film that you need to make the animation stamps work. It was easy just to purchase them at 49¢. So that I have some more of the film. And then also I had another set and another die that I'm going to use for another giveaway, so couldn't beat that. Then I had to pick up, they had the 4-pack for $1, working on a wedding, so gold and blush are the colors, so we needed some gold and we needed some blush, so just got some of that cardstock, Recollections brand, and yeah. Then another pair of scissors, the little Daily Hustle from the $2 bin. So that was it for, let me just move some of this. That was it for Michaels, and the rest just came from small haul from there. Some stuff for my sister and myself. This has been out for, September. And I just picked it up. It's been in our store forever, the whole time, but I finally got it. I did get some Perry Inn. I ordered from Perry Inn some Crafted Comparing the little sentiments to go along with this tea set, so I decided to go ahead and get a teacup. So this is $199 at $53.99 for $3.99, and you can look that SKU up at the 1-800 product hotline, and you can see if they have it in your area. And you probably had it or have it. Oops. Did forget this part. This is from Michaels. This is a shaker card kit. It was $5 with the coupon percentage off and 20% off. So 40%, 20%, whatever that was. So this is 10 acetate sheets and 10 adhesive foam sheets. Just do shakers when you're rushing in a hurry. I like to have stuff on hand. You need something quick. And then from TM, I believe I had this, but I picked it up because I just want to make sure, and then if I do, I would take it back or to go on and give away. It was $4.99, 209-1616, and this is the Artsy, and it is called, doesn't have a name, but you can see it is some puppies and some dies. So there's 14 pieces, and it is 7 stamps and 7 dies. I thought he was just so cute. But even though I like big dogs, I like labs. I did pick this one up. This is $3.19, and this is the Cutter die, and it's 2069074. I primarily picked it up for the angled dies in the smaller size with the imprint, and they do cut and emboss at the same time. And tons of these out in all of my stores, so all of my stores had a lot. So if you haven't gotten them, you should have. These are actually February, so they should be out. Some came out a little earlier, but you should be able to find those. And they had these little birdhouse kits. So my sister and I both will have one, and one is 3.13 by 5.75, and the other is 3.13 by 4.75. And these are just basically shadow boxes, and you can alter them however you want. So got that for $3.49, 209-1616. So you put it together. You can gesso it and then paint over it, and however you want to do it, totally up to you. But it is shaped like a birdhouse, but you don't have to use it. Not a birdhouse, a house. But you can use it. I'm looking at the bird in there. You can decorate it however you want to in your shadow box. My sister wanted this. I have like the spiral dies and stuff, but I don't know, she may take it back. I may consider take it back because but she may have a different type of project in mind, so I'm not sure. But anyway, it's the curvy cutter, spiral maker, and you can make like the spirals that hang down at a party, as well as your rolled flowers. Spellbinders had a couple dies in the store to actually do that too, the large blooms flowers as well. But they were $4.99, so this is a cheaper alternative. If you couldn't find the die, it does the same exact thing. And so this is $3.19, and it's 206-9067. Because even with the spellbinders, after you cut it out, you still have to roll it. So this you'll go around it pretty quick to cut it. Probably as long as it would take the die cut to roll it through. This would take just as long, so about the same amount of time. So that's an alternative if you don't have a die cutting machine and you don't have die cutting machine, or some of the stuff you don't have. You can use this for. I just lost it, but anyway. So you can make those spirals, and you can make the rolled flowers if you want some flowers with dimension for $3.18. That's not bad. And then paper, like anybody needs paper now. But this was a 12-pack for $1.99, and it's just like the sweetheart candy, the candy hearts that you eat. So it's got all those sentiments: hug me, forever, my man, text me, kiss me, XO, page me. Page me. Oh, I just realized that's really antiquated. People don't know page me anymore. But I guess it was modern at the time when they put that on the candy, because the pages were probably out. But anyway, this is American Crafts, and it's 12-pack, and it's 208-2160 for $1.99. And that is the flip side, and what that looks like. So pink and red, or dark pink hearts. And then this is the authentic Dame paper, and this was out before. Very pretty paper. I already have this, so this is for my sister. 208-1817. We both want to make something with it. I already had this, but this is like a Parisian theme. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty. So you got you some perfume. You got your traditional French-looking Dame here. Sorry about the glare. The blinds are open if you can't see it. And so it comes with the stickers and those double-sided papers. And last but not least, Just Be You. I kept debating on this one because I had the ephemera pack, but the colors are just so pretty. And it's 205-5941 for $5.99. Echo Park. Just Be You. Of course, you can find the ephemera 12-pack, and it has the stickers as well. So that wraps it up for that haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.